Hey everyone, in today's video, I want to show you the top 3 iPhone tricks of all time, and I think you're going to find some of these really useful. The first one is going to save you a lot of time. It's in your text messages. When you jump into a text message and you write out a text message, let's say you made a little mistake here. It's really hard, especially if you have fat fingers like me, to kind of go and find that mistake to correct it, right? But look at this trick. If you hold down spacebar, your keyboard turns gray, and now you could move anywhere you want within your text message and quickly change a letter that you typed out. Tip number 2 adds a whole secret button to your iPhone. This whole surface could be used to do different things. Like mine, if I double tap on it, it turns on the flashlight. Let me show you how to activate it. Jump into the settings app on your phone here, and then we want to go down here and click on accessibility here. And then on here, there's an option called touch. Go to touch right here and go all the way to the bottom of the page, and it's called back tap. Now there's 2 types. There's double and triple tap. Now, depending on which version of the iOS you have, I have iOS 15 beta, and on my YouTube channel, I could show you how to get that if you want that. But some options like app switcher, flashlight, taking screenshots, turning on the camera, those are some of the more useful ones, but there's a whole bunch here if you have the same iOS I have. And then triple tap too, so you can make double tap, be the flashlight, and maybe the triple tap here does something else like lock your screen or turns on spotlights or anything you see on this page. And the third one lets you turn your phone into a powerful scanner for scanning photos and documents like this and turning them into a PDF. Let me show you that. So let's say you want to scan a document, right? I'm going to scan this document. There's the Notes app on your phone. Find the Notes app, not the camera app, the Notes app. And then there's a camera option right here. Click on this option and then choose right here, Scan Document. If you scan a document on here, you could position your document and then press Scan. Look at this. It's scanning that portion of the document, and you could resize it anywhere you want and then keep scanning it. And it's going to make it so crisp and sharp and easy to read. Look at that. Could zoom way in. Look at the quality of the scan here. And then this is a PDF, so I could actually make any adjustments to it. When I'm done, press done. And this is that scanned document now. I could go ahead and select it, and I could send it anywhere I want using the share option here. I could message it or email it right here. Let me know if all 3 or one of these was new to you. I love to hear your feedback in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.